Chop Squad.
I am what I am, what I'm not, see I never beat. Niggas whooping up until we meet. Catch him like it for him.
Hey, I see on it, I want to see a savage. Yo, it's Chop. Back with another video. We got the NFL brutal trucks of the 2021 season. Happy New Year's, everybody. Happy New Year's, Chop gang. Love y'all to death. We're gonna keep grinding. This is my year. We're gonna keep grinding. I want to at least hit 100 subscribers this year. Not 100, but hit my 30 this year. This year gonna be a good year. Be good as motherfucking year. It's gonna be a good year. Good year. Yeah, don't click out this video either. Watch the video fully. Let's get into it. Go. Oh, snap. Go follow Dean. Shout out to Dean Productions. Without them, I would not even know to react to sometime. Hey. Damn. Damn, DeMonte KZ. That boy got laid out. That's a definition of getting ran over. Hey. Oh my God. Nah. Oh my God. No, he didn't. He puts his own T-bit on the ground. Look at his number. Look at number 55. You pushed your own teammate on the ground, you dumbass. Sam Darnold. Damn. You got ran over by Sam Darnold? Come on now. I remember that. I remember seeing that. That boy got full. That boy got lifted. RIP, whoever that was. Damn. I wish it would have did it to Malcolm Butler. I don't like Malcolm Butler. Number 21. You should have fucked that nigga. Juju Smith. Juju, you have no right to stand over anybody saying I trucked you. Because you danced on somebody's logo and they made you pay for it. They put it on your neck. They folded you. They rocked you. And I'll find the video and put the image of it, like editing on here. And I want you to watch this. Like, I'm not a hater. Like, you're actually a good player, but you can't be doing that. You had enough Seattle. We out here. Truck that nigga. Get the fuck out of my way. Get down, Patrick Peterson. Robert Woods. Patrick getting. Oh my God. That ain't he's not there. That ain't the Seahawks, bro. You know, seeing things. Oh, first. My team look bad. Damn. He talk all that junk saying all they get easy. He don't got folded. Oh my God, that can't. His whole helmet can't. Yeah, no. Put that nigga on his neck. Get the fuck off of me. Just gonna put that ball on his neck, bro. You're nothing. Oh my God. I never, ever can imagine getting. I never, ever get trucked in my life. Never will I ever get trucked. Definitely not by Deshaun Watson. I wanted you on my team, but after seeing that, I don't even know who you are anymore. Oh, never mind. I thought that was Trayvon Diggs. That boy got. By the former, you got ran over. Oh my God, that's tough. That's something not again, Logan. Damn, get off me. If he trucks me, that's tough. The punter, though. Can't be me. Cannot be me. I need to go hit up my Instagram, on my social media, and I'll look in the message. He might even respond. And I'll react to it. I promise you. I know I might be boring sometimes and not energetic. I'm on a phone. I wish I could do gameplay. I can, but I don't know how to like that. But right now I'm a reaction channel. We gonna stay grinding. The people that love to see me, they gonna see me. I'm ugly on the hell on this app, bro. I need a haircut. That's why I'm so damn ugly. When I get a haircut, y'all gonna be like, y'all gonna be saying, "Oh, that boy sex." Y'all gonna be over there on that man. You gonna be on my meat, bro. Best looking young YouTuber alive. Matter of fact, best looking YouTuber in the world. Then I get a haircut. Russell Wilson. My fault if I ain't too loud. Like I said, I'm 15. Of course, I still live with my parents, so I'm not gonna be that loud. But we lit though. We good. We keep the same energy. I know I keep pausing. This video is hella long, so let me just start. This video about to at least be 30 minutes. I'll follow it. Go Kristen, go Kristen. Damn. Damn. Oh my God, 2 people. Get off of me. Tyler Boyd. Imagine getting trucked by Tyler Boyd. You tried to fight him after he trucked you. You're so pussy. It's a football game. And he ran your ass over. Yeah. He just kept walking. That thing barely happened. They got trucked by a football. Damn. Damn. That is sad. Oh, that's Agent Peterson. Never mind. Let me shut my mouth. He looked at you too. And you tried to stop trying to fight people. It's a truck. It's the sport of goddamn. This is the sport of football. Let's go, DeAndre Swift. Damn, Josh Jacobs. My hair messed up, bro. You feel me though? When it comes to YouTube, I might not be consistent. I might be boring. But really deep inside, I love y'all to death. I want to be the best I can be. I want to be passed on. You know, flight yet. I want to be higher than him. Past his level. I want to support. I want to be known. I just want to be good. Good YouTube. I want to just inspire people. Make people want to do this. Help YouTube out. I could just be just as funny. I got a dark side to me too. We all do. But I'm just saying, I want to be something big. And my stuff is lagging. Yeah. And we got to add. So I'll catch y'all after this. And we back. But like I was saying, I want to be a big YouTuber. Good YouTuber. I'm pushing my heart. I want to be the best. I do whatever I can. I stay humble. I'm humble. You see it. Most people will give up. It's only been 6 months and I only got 25 subscribers. But do it look like I'm giving up? No, you never give up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. You just keep pushing. You keep pushing. You never give up. Chase your dreams. Dang, he put him on his neck. Give up your dreams. Oh my God, your football career is over. Damn. Son, that nigga, get down. I don't know why you try to guard DK. You can't guard him. DK is unguardable, the big legend. The dude he trucked is the same dude that put Juju on his neck. Where's the truck at? Okay. Imagine. He didn't really get trucked now. He kind of tackled him more than get. Damn, never mind. He said, dude, Julio Jones, get down. Get down, young bitch. He gone. He gone. I'm fucked up. I've been boring y'all to death. Well, I like to just get my words out. Just want to let y'all know. I know half of y'all not. I know half of y'all not even gonna watch the whole game. Dang. He didn't even do anything to you. He tapped you and you did all of that. DeAndre, chill out. DeAndre Swift, chill out. You got trucked by Sam Darnold. Oh my God. That is embarrassing. One time you got choked by Daniel Jones. I swear to God. The homie got choked. Yo, damn. Like, yo. Choked the hell out of him. I seen this. Boom. Get out my way. Oh my God. I'm an ugly ass nigga on this app, bro. Damn, you just tried to hit him, but you're just weak. I hear these hits, though. It said boom and pow for me. It's some cracking sounds, bro. Can't I play it again while I ever play it. Yes, sir. He ain't really trucking. Imagine getting ran over by Juju, though. The dude literally got put on his neck by nobody. God, Kim. Okay. You put Deshaun Elliott on his neck. I'll give you credit. And you ran that boy over. Ran that. Ran that boy up. I know that was cringy as hell. I'm gonna edit that shit out. I like to entertain, I like to be funny, like joke around, jokester around here. So a YouTuber that showed me I could do YouTube with the phone. Dre, 2 times. And I'll catch y'all after this. And we back. Shout out to the YouTuber Dre 2 times. I should look him up, get him to 8K. I ain't gonna say he the reason he put me. I ain't gonna say he put me on YouTube. That's a cap. I would have probably figured out some type of way, but he showed me. I like to do a screen record. I thought I really needed a camera. I felt so stupid. But he showed me, because all he said he used this phone, but he got an iPhone, so he got iMovies and this other stuff that's so easy to edit with. My editing apps is awful. I'm on an Android. This is awful. Awful. Damn. Get on the ground. You can't guard the Seals. Imagine getting chucked by the weakest dude on my team. I already know this is going to be deadly. Derrick Henry was strong with us. There's Truck City, right? Boom. My God. This video is going to be 20 minutes, bro. I'm only 8 minutes on the video, and I've been probably recording for I don't know how long. I've been recording for 12 minutes. Look at DK, Metcalf. Get out my way, Tre'Davious White. You're nothing compared to me. That's what DK was saying. Boom. I keep on thinking they're going to make the tackle instead they get trucked. If he trucked a Seahawks play, I swear to God. Who got trucked? Is that Quandre? Quandre got Logan Ryan. That's the second time I seen this bitch. He is just, that dude right there is bullying them, you know? Just bullying these people. And people, not people. God dang, Tyron. So sad. What my voice sound like that, man. I said, don't get on my head on the count. I know this voice is I don't know what's on my throat. I know it's a little raggedy. Damn. Put him on his neck. Holy crap. Yes, sir. You ain't tracking nobody on the sea. Hunt to you again. Bro, come on, Trey Flowers. You're in a disgrace right now. Yo, damn. Yo, Tyron, you got ran over again. Easy touchdown. Is that a truck? He ain't truck nobody. Ain't no truck. Another ad. Then you really trying to make your money, ain't you? You making me really pay you today. But I catch you. And we back. Yeah, you got this. Damn. I thought that was Logan again. Come on, that's your second time, JaVale Peppers, number 21. I swear to God, if you get trucked by Taysom Hill. Taysom Hill is pretty strong, though, but still, on is still a quarterback. Damn. Dang, he threw you like you were just his hoe. His hoe, his slut. Like this. He finna get folded. Oh my God, touchdown. Y'all sleep on Chris Godwin, bro. Him and Mike Evans is a deadly duo. Damn, he bitched you. Yes, sir. Get off me, Chris Carson. Look at that truck. Look at that truck. And I hope this football, you know, new year, new start, new me. I'm gonna be grinding this year. It's gonna be grinding this year. I know I'm gonna be running up the stats like that. I'll be running up these stats. Tackled him. Damn. You know what? It wasn't that really that big of a truck. Never mind. See, that's what I'm talking about. Why so many fights happen on the football field? It's football. It's a rough sport. He ain't barely even try to truck you. He barely touched you when you fell. But once again, he's a grown man. They literally lift weights all day for a living. There you go. Who even is that? Who is that? Yeah, he trucked Eddie Jackson. That is tough. Come on, Eddie. That's better than that. Come on, Saquon. Okay, Saquon. I feel bad that he got injured, Dustin. I forgot. Damn. You're his son, he raised me. I sound so boring. I hear it to myself. I must be tired as hell. My voice is sounding awful. As long as we run up the stats shop game, we're gonna be good. How y'all days going though? I know none of y'all's gonna hear me say this. Nobody. I don't think anybody that I know probably watching me for that long. If you do watch me, you're a real one. You're an OG. You're a diehard fan. And I love that support. I might even follow you on social media. He put you on your fucking ass. Top gang. You already know that was a late video. 2021, new year, new us. New year, new us. We're finna be getting maybe 30 this year. I don't know, maybe. There is. Well, yeah, maybe. You never know. But I hope we can. I wanna keep doing this. I love YouTube. Top gang, love y'all.
Yeah. Oh, Jack. Hey man, you walk up in this bed, you got some heat, you know how to do the dance.